everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a symbol on MetaTrader4. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To remove or delete a symbol from your MetaTrader codes tab is quite easy. Open up your MetaTrader4 application and make sure that you're inside the main codes tab. Once you're inside, tap on the pencil icon at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see all of the list of symbols that you've added on your MetaTrader4 codes tab. From the symbols tab, tap on the delete or the trash icon at the top right and now select the symbol you'd like to delete by giving it a tap. You'll be able to see a tick mark right next to the symbol that you've selected. Now to delete it, tap on the trash can icon at the top right and you'll be able to delete a symbol from your MetaTrader4. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.